Welcome back here on YouTube. As always, you host with the most toxic story today. The best of war is 15th Italy, is it 2003 and 2008. I like this cover, John Cena. And I like this cover of it. I like this cover, and that's the best. And I like John Cena is the best in the world. And I like this screenshot on John Cena. This is Kane, Hornswoggle, Cena, Edge, and I like this cover of it. And between with a match, this is Triple H dressed up like Chris McMahon, and Shawn Michaels dressed up Shane McMahon. I like this old screenshots. This is Shawn Michaels and Triple H are dressing up like Shane McMahon and Chris McMahon. Triple H is always dressed up like Chris McMahon, and Shawn Michaels dressed up like Shane McMahon. So, I like the screenshots of Triple H and Shawn Michaels, and between for a long time, and I like this cover for a long time, and of Raw, 15th anniversary of Cena. I like this cover, and I first got it last time, so this is Raw. It's got, I like this, and just a scratch. So, next one, we're gonna have the best of Raw is Raw. Monday night, Monday is Raw. 15th is 1993 and 1997. Shawn Michaels. I love this cover. This is Tommy Dreamer, Zedari Phil, Stone Cold, Brian Pillman, Undertaker with Paul Beal, and this is boy Ric Flair. And I like the screenshots. This is Mark Khan and Undertaker. That's a good. I love this screenshots right here of Mark Khan and Undertaker. I love the screenshots. So, I like this cover of this 15 minutes with Raw, and I love this cover. And I love this match. Stone Cold Steve Austin versus The Rock. And I love this. This is 1998, 2002. Stone Cold Steve Austin versus The Rock. That's a good match. After that night, Stone Cold Steve Austin got a water hose on Vince McMahon in the top rope. I love the screenshots of Stone Cold and Vince McMahon. I love this night. After the night, and after the day, Stone Cold, he's the best in athlete in the past 20 years. I like this, it's the best of Raw, and I love this cover, and I like this. It's just Triple H, Smart Khan, The Rock. And I love this night. This is Tyson and Austin, won in 1998. DX, special report 2298. Dumbstroke Diving 2298. The rising of the new DX. X-Pac returns. Stone Cold against Mr. McMahon. The bout of Mr. Scargo. Mr. McMahon, combative. Mark Khan wins the WWE Championship match. Stone Cold Bill Truck, $22.99. Monster Truck against Town Call. Mystery Pulse against the Screws. Yes. The Screws $510.99. Why'd You Say? Debut $89.99. The Rock, This Is Your Life $927.99. Big Boss Man. What happened is a Vegas. Circle is not the new champion. My Milk on Mania is me, Kurt Angle. Triple H returns on Raw. Pass and meets percent Wars United. Buzz off hangs Mr. McMahon. DX versus WCW. DX and Nationals. Some earlier. So the bout of Mr. Scargo, Mr. McMahon. And I love this night, after Monday Night Raw and Monday Night Raw. Raw is Raw. Because between 20 years now, for the way years back. And it's a long time. I got 3 of those I have now. I got that and that. For some years. And I got those for a long time. And I like those. And I love this night. Love two pack of Raw and one in that. So comment down below if you like the video. So give me thumbs up if you like this video. Give me thumbs up, and I'll find you next video next week, and I'll see you guys later. So comment down below. First of all, favorite top 5 DVDs. I got 3-pack of Raw DVDs. I got 3-pack of Raw and 3-pack. And I love this night. And I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. And thank you for support and watching on my wrestling DVDs I collect. Comment down below which DVDs we want to pick up. Of the top 5 DVDs I want to pick up. So comment down below if you like the video. Comment down below, and I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys later. So, comment down below who's more favorite superstars, Shawn Michaels or The Rock and Stone Cold Steve Austin. I'll see you guys later. Comment down below if you watch this video on my YouTube. Subscribe, smash that bell, and I'll see you guys later. And thank you for watching. Talk show out. Talk show out.